Hello guys, so I'm currently on my way to Westwood Cross. I'm going there for shopping. I'm currently going to the bus stop. Yes. I'm going to tell you guys when I enter the bus. Guys, I'm in the bus now. I'm going to film you guys inside which Westwood Cross. So guys, I'm here at Westwood Cross. Like, I'm amazed. This place is really beautiful. Like, seriously, look. See? This place is beautiful. Like, oh, like, I'm amazed. This place is really beautiful. See. Wow! This is my first time of coming to this place. Like, wow, it's no, this place is nice. Good. Like, it's really feeling like Christmas. Christmas here will be hot. It's going to be hot here in UK. Wow. Because where is this place again? Where is this? Like, I don't know where this place is. I'm looking. Okay, I've seen my shopping place, Primark. Here, this is where I'm looking for, Primark. So I'm heading inside right now. Wow. Wow. They have, wow. This place is nice. This place is nice. This place is nice. Wow. Wow, this is nice. How much? £8. Okay. How much is this? No, this. Okay. This is for 7 to 15 years. Okay, okay. So guys, I think I'm going to take this one. 7 to 8 years, I'm going to take it, and 5 to 6 years, yeah, I'm going to take it. They'll be for my brothers, yeah. Wow, this place is nice. Plushy. So I'm currently here at this shoe. The shoes are giving. Well, I didn't come here for shoes. I didn't come for shoes. The shoes are wow. Wow. I'm just going to show you guys. Are you guys seeing? Are you guys seeing? Wow. Wow. This is lovely. £5. Wow. Okay. It's like they're on sale now. Oh no. I didn't come here for shoes. I didn't budget for it. Oof. Anyways, maybe next time when I come, they will be on sales again. Wow. Wow, this is beautiful. They have different colors. This green one is really entering my eyes. This green one is entering my eyes. Like, it's really entering my eyes. Wow. This oh, see this. See this. I really want this type of slippers to be wearing it at home. I'm going to come here again. This place, you will not escape from me. I'm definitely coming here again. Oh God. Wow. These people are really good. They have a lot of nice stuff. See, everything here is £5. Everything in this section now is like not everything. Each stuff you buy from here is £5. Each stuff you buy from here is £5. Each stuff from here, £7. Nice. Wow, this is £7. I'm going to come here next time. I'm going to buy this fluffy slippers. I really like it. So I'm here at this corner. I want to buy this one is for me and for my brothers. Like I said before, the code is too much. Like it's really getting to me. So I want to take this. This is a nightwear. Well, I'm not going to be wearing it that night. Every time once I'm cold, I'll just put it on. It's for cold. I'm not even sure this for nightwear. I think it's a warmer. Anyways, whatever it is, I'm buying it, and I'm buying two. I'm buying this and I'm buying this. I would have loved to buy this one, but this one is lighter. This is thicker. So I'm going to take this one, and then I'm also going to take this one. These ones are for me. They have really nice clothes here. Guys, I'm done. Like, I really enjoyed coming here. This place is really beautiful. Like, seriously, very beautiful. This one, say, I'm eyeing it when I come here next time. Oh, I already budgeted for shoes, but this purse, I'll add it. Like, the purse is, I'm eyeing it. This one, it's really nice. It's beautiful. So I'm done. I'm going home now. Primark.
Good evening now.